If you've been looking for a new watch to add to your collection, or if you don't have one yet and you're looking for something that looks luxurious but is still affordable, then keep on watching. See what I did there? Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber and I post fashion and travel content, and today I've got a really exciting video which is in partnership with Pascal. Today I'm going to be unboxing and talking about this gorgeous new timeless classic diamond watch that I just received from them. So as you can see, the packaging looks super luxurious with the lovely green colour and then the gold writing on the front. And this is how the box looks as you open it up, and it has the text "Crafting Diamonds for the Shiniest Moments" on there as well. I really do appreciate a well packaged item. It just makes it feel so much more luxurious when you're opening it up and it makes the perfect present. So it comes with this little envelope which has some care, do's and don'ts for your new watch and a little story about it as well. Here is the box that the watch is inside. I'm so excited to unbox this one. As you can see, it looks absolutely stunning. I went for the colour oat milk because I just thought it looked gorgeous on the website, and I must say it looks even better in person. How beautiful is that detail on there? I actually love it. Also included in the watch box, we have this tool to take out the links and adjust the size of the watch, the official warranty card, and then a mini booklet which has some information about adjusting the watch. Okay, so this is how it looks on, and is that not just absolutely stunning? I am in love with it. I do need to take out one more link just because I like to have it kind of tight fitting. I took out a couple of links and as you can see, it very nearly is a really good fit, but if I take out one more, I know it will be a perfect fit for me. So I absolutely love it. I had been wearing my other watch for about a year and a half now, and I wear it all the time. It's like a two-tone gold and silver coloured one, but I am obsessed with this new one and I will literally be wearing this all the time now. Okay, can we just talk about the fact that these are real diamonds in this watch? So Pascal used lab-grown diamonds, which are still real diamonds, but they are absolutely stunning, and I just love how many are in the face of the watch there. I think this is absolutely stunning. I think the diamond detail is just gorgeous on this. Like, just look at that. I think it's so beautiful. That's the clasp fastening on there. Obviously it's got the logo on the back, Pascal, and as you can see on the front you have the diamond detail. I just absolutely love the colour of the watch face. I think this oat milk colour is just gorgeous and it complements the gold colour so well. So Pascal used 316L steel in their watches, which is actually the same materials that the higher end and designer brands are using in the watches. Another fab thing about this watch is that it's water resistant to 100 meters, so you can wear it in the shower, you can go swimming, like if you're sweating, anything like that, it's not going to damage the watch at all, and it is actually water resistant, which I think is amazing. I usually don't wear watches and jewellery in the shower, but it is so nice knowing that I can, and if I'm going to the beach or in the sea and I'm wearing it, I can rest assured that it's going to keep the quality and nothing's going to go wrong with it. It's not going to damage the watch mechanics or anything like that, which is great. And then they also use sapphire glass on the front, which is great because it's scratch proof, so you're not going to end up with those little scratches on the front, which can obviously make the watch look cheap, and it means that it's going to stay super clear so you can always see what time it is, which is exactly why we wear a watch. So I never used to wear a watch, and I only started wearing a watch about 2 years ago, a year and a half ago, but honestly now I would not be without it. I just think it adds something to every single outfit. It just adds a touch of like luxury and just makes an outfit way more chic. I really do think so, and I always get so many compliments when I'm wearing a watch as well. I think you can literally just wear an all black outfit, add a bit of like gold jewellery, add a nice watch, and you're all good to go. You know, you don't need to stress about what you're going to wear, whether you're going to look chic and good, because when you've got the good accessories to go with your outfit, you don't even need to bother that much about the outfit. You can literally wear like a black blazer dress or a black blazer, an all black outfit, and just add some gorgeous gold jewellery and a stunning affordable luxury watch, and you've just taken that outfit from 0 to 100. Jewellery that you can wear every day that looks luxury but is also affordable. I just think you can't go wrong with it. Something like this watch is something that you can keep for years, rewear it again and again. It is literally timeless. It's not going to go out of fashion, and it is something that always makes you look more classy. If you do like something that is a little bit more of a trendy piece and a bit more out there, maybe like a statement piece to add to your outfits, then Pascal also do some beautiful designs like pink pinks, turquoise, and they do also do leopard print and different patterns as well, so those are definitely worth checking out. So this watch, which is the Timeless Classic Diamond watch, retails around $200, which I think is such a good price for what you're actually getting. I mean, just look at the packaging and the box. Everything just looks so luxury and really would make the most perfect gift. Also great if you want to treat yourself, because we need to treat ourselves too. We get so wrapped up with gifting other people things around Christmas time that we forget to be kind to ourselves and treat ourselves. So if you have got a little bit of money to treat yourself, I would definitely have a look at investing in a gorgeous watch that you can wear again and again. A few years ago, I was always looking at like designer bags, designer jewelry, shoes, everything, and I used to think, oh, I'm going to buy this at some point, like I love that, I wish I could have that. But I think in more recent years I've realised that just because it's designer and it has a logo on it, it does not necessarily mean that the quality is as good as you think it is. And a lot of the time you are paying a lot more just to have that logo on it and just to have that name. And really, when you look at the materials of other brands that are more affordable, like Pascal, you realise that it's pretty much the same product, but you're just paying a lot more for other products because of the name. I'm so glad that I've been introduced to Pascal and found these watches that are affordable, but they still look super luxury and add a touch of elegance to every outfit. I just love it. I will definitely be wearing this all through the festive season and into the new year and pretty much every day forever now. So yeah, super happy with it. I'm going to include a link in the description that will get you 20% off your order, so please do have a look at the website and check them out. Pascal always have really good offers on as well, so it's definitely worth checking back and have a browse through the colours, see if there's anything you like or maybe that you could gift to someone else. A really lovely gift and a lovely treat to yourself as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. You can find me on social media under Amber Malo for the fashion content and Eat Start Travels for food and travel content. Thank you again. Enjoy the rest of your week and I will see you in the next video. Bye.